What's up going on, everyone? So back again on another video. I know I haven't been vlogging for the past few days. I've been off for like 3 days. Today's my last day off and I'm back to work tomorrow. I just did a video shoot of some products that I have. Well, actually I don't know if I'm gonna be posting on my website by the time I do this, or by the time I put this video out, the item is probably gonna be on the website. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you guys because I am driving. But yes, I did a video shoot yesterday, and I have some more products that's coming in. They're supposed to be mailing in by next week or sometime like that. Right now I'm going to the UPS store to pick up my package because my company have some uniform. The materials that they had, the materials wasn't good, so they use another company to make the uniform all over again, and use different material. I know some of you guys were like, oh my goodness, you're talking a Jamaican voice. Like sometimes, like, it's so funny that when you're around Jamaican people, the accent just pop out, and when you're not, you just start talking regular English. Which is weird. But yeah, so I was watching a couple of Jamaican videos and I was talking to someone that speak Jamaican, and I was talking to my mom that speak Jamaican. So because of that, my Jamaican language just come out. So it's gonna take a little bit for me to like kind of like go back into the English slang real quick. But yeah. So right now I'm heading to UPS, as I said. We're going to get some groceries for tomorrow. Do you know what, guys? To be honest with you, like since lately when we start doing packing my lunch for my trips, it's like I don't really be eating my lunch. Like I don't know why. It's like it's just boring. Like I'll try to think about stuff that I might eat for the next 3 days or 4 days, and lately I just haven't been eating it. I've just been buying food out or some things. But I'm trying to save my money because I'm trying to use the extra money that I saved to put towards my business. So I am gonna try to see if I'm gonna buy different stuff today to see I make sure I eat them. And today I have my thickum shake. I call it a thickum shake, and I'm drinking it now. I haven't been working out for the past 3 days, so I feel very heavy, if you know what I mean. Like I feel like I gaining weight. So I'm gonna work out tonight after I do pack my lunch for tomorrow, and after before I wash my hair. So I'm gonna work out, then wash my hair and all that good stuff. But yeah, kind of a little bit excited to get the package just to make sure that the uniforms them look good comparing to the ones that we have. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. Nothing crazy. So yeah, right now I'm driving, so I'm just gonna stop the vlog because I think my battery is dying soon. I don't know why my makeup look like this, guys. From a side angle it doesn't look good, but from front it look alright, and I look a little bit dark. I don't know what's going on with this video thing, but yeah. So I'm gonna check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so just came from the 99-cent store, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff for like $22. Tell you guys, I'm on this budget, man. Like literally on this budget. So I'm planning on maybe spending $32 for this 3-day trip, and then when I come back I have 1 day off and then I have 4 days off. So I think $32 is okay for basically 4 days worth of stuff, and I normally eat 3 or 4 meals a day, so that should be good. Right now I'm gonna go over to UPS, get my package. I'm also gonna go to another grocery store and get maybe a chicken or a salmon, one or the other I'm gonna get. And I think that's it. I'll probably go to TJ Maxx and see what's there in TJ Maxx. Actually, no, I'm not gonna go to TJ Maxx because I'm pretty sure if I go to any other store I'm gonna be buying more things, which I'm on a budget, so I'm not trying to buy any more stuff. Oh my gosh, my makeup just look weird today. Like it looks, I don't know if because of where I don't know, my makeup looks so weird today. I think I put too much concealer here. It looks so, but hey, excuse the mess. Okay, so whatever. So yeah, so that's it. Right now it's 12 o'clock. I put my laundry to wash, So by the time I get home, it should be done and to put in the dryer and then wash these clothes with the other stuff, other items that I have to wash, and then start preparing my food. So I was going into the grocery store, and it's so funny because this lady was coming out. She's Caucasian, but she has like, her body has a full nice tan going, and then her face, I don't know if she put like a cream, I don't know if she put like a cream or something on her face, but her face looked white like powder. And I was like, oh my goodness, at least I don't feel that bad now, because my face, you know, my face, like I could tell that I put too much concealer in some areas. So I was like, okay, I don't feel that bad, because her face is literally like white like powder, like literally white, and the other part of her skin is tan color. So I was like, don't feel that bad. All right, so ooh, someone been in a car accident. Like, how can you be in a car accident right here? Like, that is so crazy. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. It hit a USPS truck. That is crazy. And the UPS truck got hit on the side, and his car, his bumper is completely smashed, and the hood is completely smashed. So that means that wasn't a good car at all, unless he was driving super fast and he hit it really bad. But that's not a good car at all. A good thing I like with Hondas, oh my goodness, because when I had a Honda, my first Honda Elantra, my first Honda Elantra, somebody hit me in the back, and it was so bad that the person's car was totaled, like completely totaled. The front of the car was completely damaged, and it wasn't fixable. But my car was the trunk was fixable, and the trunk wasn't even it was bad, but not too bad. Like, I could have still drive it. But I got it fixed. I got it fixed with like a brand new trunk. But their car was a hot mess, and it wasn't fixable. The Hyundai cars are strong. Like, so this car now is a Hyundai. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna go away from Hyundai, because getting hit, and my car was still decent and good to drive, and the other person's car was not good. I don't know what type of car they had, but their car was, it was a nice car too, and their car was ripped, was done. But yeah, so take my butt home right now. Oh my goodness, guys, it's actually 3 cars, not 2, 3. Okay, so I am back home, and I'm gonna open my package and see how this uniform looks. Okay, so they sent me 1 skirt and 1 dress, but that's not what I ordered. I ordered more than 1, so I need to call these suckers to figure out what the heck is going on. So make sure this is the correct size. I'm still cooking to prepare myself for tomorrow, but I have to show you guys something, right? So I got this at the 99-cent store, right? It's shrimp scampi kit, and this is what it says here. It has the pasta, the onions, the Parmesan cheese, the garlic, and herbal season. Only thing you have to add is shrimp and lemon to it. And it actually come out really good for 99 cents. It come out really good. I mean, I'm not a chef and all that, but look at this, guys. Look at that. Like, just this is for 99 cents. Well, not the shrimp, but I got the shrimp on sale for like $4, and I have enough to make like 5 meals out of it. So for just to have this meal like this for 99 cents and the shrimp $4, it's a great deal, guys. So I just have to show you guys that, and it's very easy to prepare. It gives you the instruction and all. So this is the instruction, and just follow the steps, and quick and easy. And I can't believe it says Food Network Kitchen Inspiration. That is so cool. Like, that's amazing. But let me get back to my cooking, y'all. Okay, guys, so finished cooked and vacuum a little bit. I actually just ordered some. I actually just ordered a foam mattress from Walmart, and it was like $117. So I'm excited to see how that looks when it comes, because I'm actually gonna put it on this day bed right here, because I'm having a lot of visitors for next month for Thanksgiving. So yeah, and then I want to order a wallpaper to put on the back of that closet there to make it look like it's like official wall kind of. But yeah, I'm just doing a quick workout in the room. I'm not gonna go to the gym. Just tired. That's why I'm breathing so heavy, because I was working out earlier. So yeah, this is the vlog for the night. I have an early morning showtime tomorrow. I'm not senior on this trip. I have 2 people that are senior than me, so I don't know what position I'll be flying until I get there tomorrow. So my showtime is like at 8, I believe, or yeah, I believe it's like 8 something, my showtime. So it's very early for me. I like afternoon showtimes, but whatever. So I have a couple more things that I have to get done. I have to finish pack my suitcase and organize the food that I'm gonna bring, make sure everything's in one spot so I don't forget anything. Last time I forgot my sushi and it totally went to waste. And I have to take out my trash. So yeah. But yeah, that's it for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.